In a world driven by data, the role of a data engineer has never been more crucial. Welcome to the Data Engineer Bootcamp, where innovation meets expertise. At KnowledgeHut, we believe in empowering individuals to become the architects of the data-driven future. Let's dive into what makes our Data Engineer Bootcamp the ultimate gateway to success. Our comprehensive curriculum is meticulously designed to impart expertise in key data engineering domains. From mastering essential technologies such as data warehousing, Linux, Python, SQL, and Hadoop, to delving into cutting-edge areas like MongoDB, big data processing, big data security, and AWS, this bootcamp equips you with a diverse skill set. Get ready to immerse yourself in designing databases, capturing and analyzing data, and crafting robust data models. With 10+ capstone projects and 30+ assignments, 12+ case studies, and 230+ guided hands-on exercises, you will be well equipped to tackle complex business challenges in the data engineering domain. Get access to 289 hours of self-paced learning with hours and hours of hands-on practice. Access our state-of-the-art learning platform and simulate real-world technologies to polish your coding skills. Create a solid, job-worthy portfolio worthy of Tier 1 companies. Build confidence and get hired as a data engineer. Here's a glimpse of some of the 10+ capstone projects you'll build. Our industry-validated curriculum is designed with inputs from our Software Engineering Advisory Board, comprised of industry veterans and renowned experts. The program is delivered by top instructors with several years of experience under their belt. Who better to rate us than our learners? The future belongs to those who can harness the power of data. Are you ready to shape the future? Visit Data Engineer Bootcamp, Best Data Engineer Certification Course, KnowledgeHut.com.